Welcome to TikTok Ad Training Kit Chapter Number 2. How to set up TikTok Business Center account. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to set up TikTok Business Center account. Step by step. So let's get started. Go to the TikTok Ads Manager, and click the Business Center icon at the top right. You will be directed to the Business Center. The next step is to complete data from your business account, such as Business Center name, time zone, business type, company name, your business industry and website. The next stage is billing information. Click the Create button if you have completed all the data. And the process of creating a TikTok Business Center account has been successful. See you in the next tutorial.